So here we are further up north in Dobrota in late July. It's early in the morning, but it's very hot. But it's much more peaceful here than in Kotor. Less people, more locals, I guess.
If you go farther out into Dobrota, it's even better. I would say it's mostly locals.
So after that stone building, that's when it's the nicest time.
And yeah, if we repeat this again, staying here, I would probably choose Dobrota instead of Kotor. It's just quieter. And then I would go here if I need to explore.
Nice flowers right now. So here are the tours and stuff. Yeah, we looked them up online. Like the Blue Cave, for example, that everyone wants us to go to. The tours. It's nothing special, I think. Looking at it. It's just blue water that's similar to the water in Greece. I don't know.
And it's a cave.
Yeah.
And that's about it.
So this is where we go for most of our groceries at Roma. It's kind of a dangerous intersection. There's no crosswalks or anything, so to be careful. So this is how we cross the street. There's no sidewalk, of course. And that's the Roma market where the employees are much friendlier. The cashiers and the butchers are very friendly here. And when you go up this hill, you'll find the open market that we'll show you after this.
So this is the market that we were talking about. It's a local market where the prices are quite reasonable. It's mostly local people are shopping. Yeah, so that's the guy that I bought the fruits and vegetables. He gave me tons of extra ones.